Guys, this is something I was like really excited to show you people at MSI's booth. This is their all new Mercedes AMG Motorsport gaming laptops, guys. So MSI has collaborated with AMG Motorsport. Last year also we got the Stealth 16 edition, right? This year we got the Stealth 18 newer model and has like completely upgraded hardware and specs and configuration. So before we dive in and talk about the hardware, right, first of all, let me give you like a closer look and tell you about the design as well. You're getting a beautiful 18 inches laptop and has like very insane design, guys. Everything is like AMG style and has a racing inspired theme. Check out the whole design on the touchpad area over here. You're getting that AMG series design over here, AMG branding at the top side, Mercedes logo along with MSI logo, and has that red theme inspired vibe everywhere. See, this laptop is not just about the design or the looks, it's mad fast on the inside as well. Stealth 18 Mercedes AMG Motorsport is powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs, that to the Core Ultra 9 185H, which is basically a 16 core 22 thread monster CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.1 GHz. Pair that with Nvidia's RTX 4080 laptop GPU with 12 gigs of RAM, all of that in a magnesium aluminum alloy chassis with a thickness of only around 19.9 mm. Are you kidding me? I'm telling you, right, the specs, the configuration, everything is top notch to match up with the Mercedes AMG Motorsport car. Keeping that aside, one main highlight I have to talk about is that absolutely gorgeous looking display. You're literally getting an 18 inches UHD plus basically 4K mini LED display, and that too with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, guys. It's basically an IPS level panel, but yes, it offers up to 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a lot of time to spend with the laptop and do a lot of testings, but initial impressions, laptop looked very beautiful. I can't wait to get my hands on this laptop back at my studio and do a detailed unboxing and review on this model. So not just the laptop, even the entire packaging is quite special over here, guys. With the AMG Motorsport edition, you're getting some exclusive stuff included over here. I mean, just check out this toy. You're getting this included with the gaming laptop. Very cool looking stuff. All the goodies you see in the glass box, accessories, everything is included. And finally got my hands on MSI's Claw handheld gaming console, guys. So at Computex 2024, MSI has introduced a brand new limited edition model, the Fallout 4 series. And look at this whole skin and the theme, guys. Very beautiful looking console, right? But if you talk about the specs and hardware, it's powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs, and not to miss out, you're also getting Intel Arc graphics on board. So the regular Claw is actually coming with a 7 inches IPS display, 120 Hz refresh rate, VRR support is also there, and also has like really nice RGB lighting. Well, the Fallout 4 edition definitely looks quite attractive. And in person, right, it is looking beautiful. If you talk about the build quality, great build quality. You're also getting some customizable RGB ring lighting around the joysticks. And let me tell you, these are advanced all-effect joysticks for exceptional precision and accuracy. Quality of the triggers is also pretty good, and you can actually check out the whole gameplay experience over here. But again, as I've told you, this is just like my first hands-on and impressions at the MSI Claw gaming handheld console, right? So if you want to know about the benchmarks and performance, you'll have to wait until we get this in our studio. We test it out, do some benchmarks, and then I'll be able to share my feedback and experience. Alright, keeping MSI's Claw aside, this is the main highlight, guys. I mean, this is the next generation of the Claw. You can even call it as a bigger brother, the Claw 8. So this actually features a slightly larger display, 8 inches IPS display, and that with 120 Hz refresh rate, full HD 1920 by 1080, and not to miss out, it's also 100% sRGB. So thing is, now this is powered by Intel's next gen hardware, Lunar Lake CPUs. So it is actually under embargo, and they have not disclosed all the details as of now. That is the reason it is actually placed in a case, and we cannot get our hands on it. You'll have to wait for some time, and they're saying that this might come out in the market around Q4 of this year. Apart from that, one more major highlight I can talk about is the new Claw 8 is gonna have like a slightly bigger battery as well compared to the original Claw which we saw right now, and also has like very similar sort of other specs and features. Well, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this quick hands-on and first look at MSI's brand new products at Computex 2024. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. More interesting videos are dropping very soon.